Hi everyone, I'm Haitham and this is Smarter Academy. Today we are going to explain how to launching Microsoft Excel. The objectives of this lecture is to know how to download Microsoft Excel, how to launch Microsoft Excel, and how to create your own account on Microsoft Excel. The first thing is to get Microsoft Excel to your own PC or own laptop. So the first thing is to go to Google and search for Microsoft Excel download and open Microsoft Office website, and you have the option buy now or try for free. It's up to you. Select buy now for home or business or try free for home or business also. So you will have different options to buy the package of Office or Microsoft Excel. And after that you will launch and set up Microsoft Excel. Also you can download and use Microsoft Excel in your smartphone. You just download application for Microsoft Excel. There is an important question. What if I can't get Windows 10 or Office 2019? Don't worry about this. This course is designed for running any Excel version from 27 to 2019. The second thing is to launching Microsoft Excel. There are several ways to launch Microsoft Excel using Windows Start or search or right click. So the first method is to click on Windows Start and search for Microsoft Excel and double click on this icon. Now you can select blank workbook, and this blank workbook is the first step on launching Microsoft Excel. The second way is searching for Microsoft Excel by writing Microsoft Excel and double click on this icon. And again select blank workbook, and this is the blank workbook Microsoft Excel sheet. The final way and the third way is to go to your desktop and right click and select new, select Microsoft Excel workbook, and you will have a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. Double click on it and here is the blank workbook. So we have three ways to open Microsoft Excel: by Windows Start, search, or right click. Now you should create Microsoft account to use Excel by your own account. How to create your account? In the top corner here, click sign in a different account. If you have account on Microsoft, just type your email or phone or Skype. If you don't have account, you should create a new one. The first step to create your Microsoft account is to type your email or phone number. So I will type my email, for example, smarter.academy@gmail.com. Next, choose a password. Select your first name. Type your last name. Next, select your country. select your birthday. Next. Now you have an email for verification. Just go to your Gmail and check this verification email to verify your account. And now it's done. You can download Microsoft Excel, you can launch Microsoft Excel, you can create your own account in Microsoft Excel, and this is the first step to get started in Excel. And finally, I would like to say a quote in the end of this lecture. And this quote said by Honda, the founder of Honda cars and the giant of automotive industry. He said, success represents the 1% of your work which results from the 99% of failure. So you should try, you should work, and you should fail, and after that you will get the success. This is the key motivation about working. Failure, then failure, then failure, and finally you will get the success. And this is our communication channel. For any question you can use Udemy Q&A, you can use our email, and you can use these accounts to know more about the instructor Haitham El Musallami. You can just search by this name to know more about instructor. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.